Hello, today I'd like to talk about my indoor planting setup. It's not a big one, just a small one. It's one that I've developed to get started on. For this, I picked up some grow lamps, some simple grow lamps. They're not real cheap, these there. I have picked up some others that I'm going to be trying out, some red, blue ones, lights and so forth, that will give slightly different things. These are LEDs, so there are some specific issues you got to be aware of on them. As far as the framework, I had some old PVC pipe laying around, real simple, cut it up, picked up a few elbows and such, and I built this and it works just great. Almost no expense to that. So being as it's the end of December after Christmas, before the new year, thought maybe I'd try to grow some indoor lettuce and some spinach, and even gonna go with some green onions. So for that, I went through the garage, found a couple of old planter boxes that I've got. Some of them aren't in great shape, but this one here is one that I found that'll work really well. Got some soil mixture in it, and I planted some lettuce in that, so that we'll see how that goes. Then I've also got another one here that's just a simple, inexpensive grow one that I've planted some lettuce, spinach, and some green onions here, and it's got the top. So I'm going to see how this works out, see which one works a little bit better. I also do have a heat pad underneath to give some bottom heat to help it get going and get started, being as seeds and plants usually like a little bit of warmth getting started. And this room tends to be a little bit on the cool side, so that'll be a little bit help that way. So stick around, watch for future videos on how this turns out. I'll periodically update people on how it's going. But yeah, just simple grow lights, PVC, and heat pad, and some soil. And just to let you know, the soil mixture that I do use is out of Hiram, Utah by Miller's. I'm not getting paid by them, but this is some that I picked up from them. I use that on all my garden beds outside, so this winter or this spring, as I start doing those, you'll see how they turn out. Thank you, and stick around. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to keep getting more information.